back a little bit disappointed because we couldn't find a jumping point. Actually, no, we found a jumping point, but the jumping point was closed and we couldn't find any other jumping point. We've come to see Breeze Café to see if we can lighten up our mood with some good food. Also, it seems like there's a breeze in the air today and we're going to be sitting by the sea.
Not today.
You can also witness the beautiful sunset from here. Oh, there's also a pool. That's nice. It has great character and it's already seeming really nice. Now all that's left to do is eat. Amazing and refreshing.
Look at that. To conclude, Breeze Café was a hit. Not only was the food good, but this place also offers amazing vibes. And the service was also great. So you should definitely come here to spend an evening if you're in Nusa Ceningan.